In this, you studied English in schools for years. You learned grammars. You wrote answers in exams also in English. Maybe you even passed with good marks. But when someone suddenly asks, can you speak in English? Then your confidence disappears and you think something. And then you think, why is this happening to me? If this feels relatable, if you can relate this, if this happened with you, then this video is for you, because today I'm not giving you random tips. Today I'm giving you a complete roadmap from zero to fluency. So now let's talk about why most people never become fluent. So first, understand one thing. This is very important. English is not difficult. The way people learn English is difficult. Let me explain. Suppose a person wants to build muscle, as like I also, when I was started to my gym, then this happened to me. That's why I'm taking example for this. So day one, they think about gym motivation video and they search also, and day two protein video, and day third apps workout, and day four nothing. They just rest it. Will results come? No, because there is no system and no continuity. So English learners do the same mistake. They also make a same mistake. One day grammar, and next day vocabulary, and then motivation, then nothing. Just they rest and they forget things. Okay, your brain gets confused, and confused brains stop learning. Friends, first rule is stop learning randomly. Stage 1, beginner. Imagine a small child. Did that child start language by learning grammar? No. Children first learn words, as like have you heard pa, ma, mama, papa, like this. Then small sentences, then conversations. You will do the same. So step 1, learn daily use sentences. No fancy sentences, simple sentence only. Like as like you can say simple sentences. I am hungry, I am tired, I will do it later, I need help. Many people make mistakes here. They memorize 500 sentences, as like you can search on YouTube video. There is lots of video of daily use sentences. Don't do that. Take only 20 sentences and repeat them every day, and just learn that. Okay, why? Because repetition creates comfort. If you repeat them, you will be comfortable, and comfort creates confidence. Okay, you can speak everywhere with a confidently. That words. Vocabulary explanation. Now let's talk about vocabulary. People think I need 10,000 words, I have to learn 10,000 words. That is wrong. You need useful words. Suppose you know difficult words like extraordinary, phenomenon, and complicated, but you don't remember need, want, bring, take, forget, like this word. Okay, then speaking becomes impossible. If you learn extraordinary words, then speaking becomes impossible. It is basic methods of speaking. So learn words that people actually use. For example, I use also eat, sleep, work, think, like, need, call, wait. These words create conversation. Many students ask, why can I read English but not understand speaking? Because reading speed and listening speed are different. As example, imagine cricket. Watching cricket and playing cricket are different skill. Similarly, reading English and understanding spoken English are different skills. So, what should you do? Start listening to easy English, not high words, not fast English, not difficult movies, not fast podcasts. Start just simple and listen to short conversation. Your brain learns patterns slowly and slowly, and your brain will also understand now why your mind goes blank. This is probably the biggest problem. You know English, but while speaking, mind goes blank. But why this happen? Why? Because you translate. For example, you want to say मुझे पानी चाहिए, and your brain starts मुझे means I. You think just like मुझे means I, and चाहिए means need, and now panic starts, and pani means water, and this translation habit skills fluency. You will never speak fluency. So practice direct. thinking. Like look around your room and say, as like this is my chair, okay, and this is my phone which I'm recording video. I'm sitting, I am learning, or I am recording video. Slowly your brain stops translating. Now I'll tell you one technique. This changed many learners. That is a shadowing technique. Very simple. Open an English video. Just on YouTube, you can search there or everywhere. Listen to one line and then pause and repeat exactly. Copy pronunciation and copy speed as like in the video. Copy expressions. Why does this work? Because you can remember the babies. They learn language by copying. Your brain still learns the same way as like copy. Now let's talk about fear. Fear destroys more English learners than grammar. People think, what if I make mistakes? Let me ask you something. When babies learn speaking, today I'm giving example of babies because it's very easy to understand. So, do parents laugh if babies make a mistake? No, mistakes are part of learning. Broken English is progress. Silence is not. So if you are speaking broken English, that's better. If people is laughing, no, you can speak your friend. They are also not speaking, so you are speaking. So don't worry about this. Now follow this daily and no excuses. And comment it. 5 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking alone, yeah, alone, that is better, and 10 minutes vocabulary and 5 minutes shadowing technique which I have tell you in the video. You can search any video, and 5 minutes revision, only 35 minutes, that's it. You can take a timer on your phone, and consistency beats motivation. So if you remember only one thing from this video, remember this: you do not become fluent by watching English, you become fluent by using English. So stop waiting and start speaking even if it's broken, because one day the same English that scares you today will become your fluency, confidence, and everything. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for my videos. Thank you.